As we spoke from the last video, we said Shiba will go up around this technical area, and this is the video that we did it 2 days ago. Well, Shiba will go up here, and today we went up precisely as we predicted around this area of support, the 0.4027. Hopefully you saw the video, because we always talk about the technical level where the insider will buy at. So right now we have to talk about something extra important for Shiba, and for confirming for this price momentum, it will go up or not. So because we have kind of something going on for Shiba right now, look what's going on. So if we go closer, look what's happening. We have our exponential average coil down on us here. That's why we see a forming red candle right now while we speak. And again, we have double support around this area, the 12th of December and today 22th of December. So we have double support resistant confirmed around the 0.4038. Precisely, this level is really crazy important for Shiba. Right now we have to hold like test again and never go below this level of support, which is the 0.4033, to confirm this time we're gonna explode. Okay, and test the next time the 0.4043. okay, this is the kind of reaction like that will happen pretty soon in coming hours or days for Shiba. Just overcome this double resistance that we just tested right now around this level. So right now Shiba is actually having the battle of the year, because we hold up, as we said, the 0.4027. as we said, if we don't hold, we're gonna see the 21. Hopefully, firstly we went up because we didn't close below it, we bounced from it, and right now we just wait for overcoming this resistance to overcome and go up again. And again, if you want to use my chart that I use right now, is trading view. It's really crazy good. You have a lot of potential. You do your own watch list here, and you have a lot of indicator. You could take this opportunity because there's a discount almost 50%. The link in comment section below, you use my link and you could get a really good discount right now and begin in the next year with a new trading platform. At the same time, psychology, because if you already lost a lot of money or you're still in red, always start with the new year with a new portfolio, new trading chart. Have a kind of different mentality in order to make your portfolio green. And as I said, if you want to build your strategy, change your psychology, because psychology is first. You can check the link in comment section below for Bitget, where we have, for example, price value. If you have any question, comment in section below. I will be happy to answer you. And as I said, daily price target and alert here on my channel and Bitget and Discord. So see you in the next update.